Hello, and welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to redeem a Minecraft Java Edition gift card. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open up your browser and navigate to minecraft.net. To make things easier, we've included a direct link in the description box below. Once you're on the website, you'll see the homepage interface. If it doesn't load properly, try refreshing the page. When the page loads, click on Account, and you'll find an option labeled Redeem. Simply click on that option. Step 2. Next, you'll see various gift card options, including those for the Java and Bedrock editions. Since you're redeeming the Minecraft Java edition, be sure to select the Redeem Java Edition button. Once you've clicked on it, you'll need to sign in to your Minecraft account. Enter your login credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to a page where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code from your gift card and then click the Redeem button. And that's it! You've successfully redeemed your Minecraft Java Edition gift card in just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.